So this would be my second time playing this game. I have not played this game before until last night, and I actually done all this, but it made me start over. I guess it didn't save my game, and I didn't realize how to save my game. So I need to turn it up a little bit. I can't hear it. Oh, that would be why. Okay, there, now I can hear it. You gotta plug it in. Okay, so I want to put a tent. Where do I want to put my tent? Where's a good spot for my tent? This looks like a good spot. So my tent, let's build here. I want to move, it down a little bit. It's a little close. There. Now let's put it here. Build here. There we go. This is have a cute little tent. Oh, right there. Oh, look, isn't that my tent? That's a first big step. So now I have to go back over here to these people. Okay, you must have found a safe spot for your tent. You're the first one back, so I suppose the others must still be searching for the right location. You know, since you've already done some scouting, the others may appreciate your assistance. Yes, yes. Okay, I don't know where everybody else is at. I guess I'll have to find them. Let's see, I don't know. Oh, there's one. Yo, I'm Flip. You're Kylie, right? Nice to meet you, right? You already set up your tent. I'm still trying to find the perfect spot. I'll be doing some serious cardio, so it's gotta have lots of fresh air. I think this spot did the trick, but I don't know. What do you think? Looks good to me. Sure. You think so? Awesome. Okay, then how about we do a little visualization exercise together? If I put my tent here. Pretty cool, right? There's a lot of open space for you. Yeah, looks great. There's an orange. Not much yellow. That was a tough decision. You totally saved my glutes. Renee is doing. She should not be having as much trouble as I was. Maybe we should go see if she needs help. Okay, so I guess we're gonna find her. I don't know where she's at. She's over here. I haven't walked over here yet, so. Oh, there she is. You're wait, I got it. Don't tell me you're Kylie, right? See, I told you I had it. I gotta tell you, I'm excited to do this whole island thing. Yo. I was trying to pick the best spot, because their spot feels like the best one. I couldn't just sit here thinking it over, so I grabbed a stick and threw it. And here's where it landed. Okay. So that's my spot. It's only as far as I can throw the stick. But I'm liking it. Okay. That looks good to me. If you're sure, actually, let's think about it a little. I wonder if her tint's orange too. Oh, her tint's blue. I think it needs to be scooted over a little bit. So let's see if we scoot it over a little bit. That's big, yeah. Can we like... yeah, let's find our spot that's not right from a tree or behind a tree. Yeah, I'm gonna put you... Chicken and tent, okay. This tree is just not gonna work. I think it could be just right here. Honestly, like right here. I'm just gonna scoot over a little bit. Finish it. Yeah, this is better. This is a spot. This is a lot better. She got a place for 10 now. Oh, her tent's blue. I need to go back to the plaza. Okay, so I guess the plaza is the little... Is it gonna take me back there? Okay. You found the right spots. Is up your new homes. Of course, you can sleep on it for a while. Really get a feel for how it suits you. Okay. We move on to one more serious, or on to serious business. Island warming party. Okay. Let's see. Me Flip can set up things here in the plaza. Maybe we'll kind of all work together, firewood, and perhaps a little snack. Let's get to it. Okay. Ready to come up here? What we'll need? One campfire, 10 tree branches. So that's all those sticks I guess I've been seeing around. Press the Y to pick them up. Okay. The orange things, orange like items growing on the trees. I suspect they were oranges. Well, I'm sure they are. Okay, so I'm hitting sticks. So let's see. Is it starting to get dark? There's like a pink cast over the whole entire thing. Maybe it's like sunset? Okay, there was a bunch of sticks and now I'm not missing sticks. Oh, there's one. Okay, or a tree branch, I guess that's what they want. Oh, there's one. 2. I think one is a 10. 3. Oh, there's one. 4. 5. Oh, there's not. 6. Oh, look, there's beach. I don't want in here. Ooh, look. Beach. I like beach. Okay, that was sidetrack 7. Look at that. That's 7. One. I think that's 8. 9. And I think this is the last one. Oh, but there's more over here. Can you pick up more? Oh, we'll pick up some extra ones. Oh, there's another one over here. Oh, look at all of them. Okay, that's well more than 10. It's probably like around 15 or something. What can we check? Oh, yeah, it is 15. Okay, cool. Oh, good. Collect the tree branches. I found even more than you asked. Yes. Take what we have our hands now. Okay. Leave our campfire. I'm glad I'll be sharing stay little items. Such a hard worker. Drop some snack on. Fruit seems to be abundant here. Oranges. They smell like oranges. They even taste like oranges. Well, then I bet you anything they are oranges. They're 100% without doubt genuine oranges. 6 of them. Okay. Press A to shake it, then just pick up the fruit. Okay. A to shake it, and then you pick up, or no, Y. I'm sorry, it's the wrong thing. Y. No. A to shake it, and Y to pick it up. Okay. I had to try it the first time. Here's 3. I think we said it's 6. Orange, okay. And then I guess I'll take it back to home. Well, I knew you were the right one for the job. Oranges, okay. I think this is about where I made it last night, and then when I quit, I guess it didn't save my game. I don't know how to save my game. I'll have to figure out how to do that. I thought it saved automatically, but I guess not. That's everything. Yes, yes, I believe it is. Let's get started with the festivities. I guess it's night now. We get a little fire? Ooh. Everybody's happy, okay. At last, let me properly welcome you to your new island. I've participated in many adventures and endeavors over the years, but this may be the most exciting. Helping develop a thriving new community entirely from scratch will truly test my business acumen, okay? And perhaps my skills as an outdoorsman, okay? We don't have the kind of numbers that I originally envisioned, but that just means we'll have to rise to the challenge. No doubt, with hard work and perseverance, we'll shape this desert island into, well, I suppose we can't call it a deserted island anymore. What should we call it? What should we call it? She wants to name it, okay? Present your idea, okay. Suggest a name for the island. Okay, what about, like, I like stuff like, what about, like, Sunshine Island? Like, call it Sunshine? Because I love the sun, so we're gonna call it Sunshine Island. I don't know, if that's a good name or not, but I like it. Yeah. E. Sunshine. I like that. You can't change. Okay. I like that. Even though, are you okay with sunshine? Yes, I am okay with it. Alright, is everyone ready? Let's try saying our ideas all at the same time. Ready, go. Tommy. What splendid variety? Yes, yes. Each one a potential gem. Now for the voting. Kai seems to have enthusiasm and naming sensibilities. Let's start there. Sunshine. Okay, everybody likes that. Well, it's overwhelmingly positive response. Each and every one of you clapped. And are still clapping. We could just go with sunshine. Splendid. Known as Sunshine. Well, Kylie. Did you prove yourself by naming Sunshine? I would like to allow you for other critical decisions. Okay. Resident representative of Sunshine. Cool. Because I guess I'm the only human here. There's no, they're just all animals, which I guess is technically in the name Animal Crossing. I've heard of this game, but I've never played it up until last night, so this is all new. Kylie, could you please say a word or two as the new spokesperson for your neighbors? Oh dear. Howdy, a word or two, you can count on me. How about you can count on me? Sure. Is that all I gotta say? We selected our okay. It's been a big day. So let's have a toast. Oh, they're little juice, little cups. Those are cute. Fresh juice from oranges. Without further ado, toast. Cheers. Oh, that's cute. So now what do? We get to chill out by the fire. Need some marshmallows. Make some s'mores. They're enjoying their orange juice. I've never thought about drinking orange juice by a campfire. I'm drinking at night. Isn't it cool? So like, I don't know what to do now. I'm gonna see my cocktail. What cups of orange juice? Call me bro. I never would have thought to drink orange juice around a campfire. Beds for ages. Okay. Let's talk to him. Having a good time, yes. I know this is a bit much, so if you feel like taking a short nap in your tent, by all means, go ahead. Sure, let's go to our tent. Sounds good to me, but first, you probably want this. Dolly? Your very own camping cot. You set up in your tent before you lie down. A few packages waiting in your tent as well. Just a few items that might be useful. Use the things. Press A. Okay. You can move L to crawl on the bed. Okay. Wash the rest up. Okay. Sweet dreams. Okay, well, let's go find. I think my tent was over here. My tent was yellow, so I think I put it up over here. Over here. Isn't it cute? Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I haven't been in it. I don't know if I could go in it before now, so I don't know what it looks like. There's a box and there's 2 boxes. What's here? What is that? Okay, a lantern. Okay, we turn the light on. And what's in this box? A radio. Okay, I was gonna put it over here. It's kind of in the way. Let's put the radio over here by the lantern. And put our cots. Let's put our cot over here on this side. Place my cots. Okay. Let's do not much. Okay, can we crawl in the bed? Okay. So I can go rest my head for a little while. Rest. Okay, I'm getting sleepy. So I'm gonna like wake up and it's gonna be morning, or am I just taking a nap? I don't know if I'm like just taking a nap or I get to like, I'm gonna wake up and it's gonna be morning time, I guess. Like the sun's coming back out. I like it when the sun was out. I don't know. Oh, am I dreaming? A dog playing a guitar. Wow. Sound like your own way in the world. Okay. Cat who's been on the road. I thought it was a dog. Is it a cat? Take it from a cat. Maybe it's just a term of speech. Yeah, man. Friends is where it's at. Speaking of rambling, I'm doing a bit myself. Am I dreaming? I don't know. Maybe I'm dreaming. Wake up to your new life. You think this on life a little more if you share with some friends. And I'll in paradise with your best pals. Cool. When you wake up, you'll be in sync with real time. Dig that out life, and I'll catch you later. Okay. Like, wake up. So now is it like morning? Kylie, are you in there? I hope I haven't woken you abruptly, but I do wish to discuss something with you. Yes, yes, I'll be here when you're ready. Okay, like. Okay, I guess I just walk out. Okay, when I get out. Is it morning or is it night? I'm curious to see. Oh, it's morning. There you are. I hope you had a pleasant nap. Or, well, I suppose it was a bit more than a nap, wasn't it? Brand new day. Yeah, it's a brand new day. I slept that long. Wow. Our paradise. Okay. We need one of these. What is it? Oh, Nook phone. Oh. Made especially for island residents. Oh, a Nook phone, okay. I want to make sure it's working right, so could you try to turn it on for me? Welcome. Oh, it's got a little app, so that's cute. Good, good. I want to do call animals. Have you ever used a smartphone before? Like, I mean, yeah, sure I have in real life, but Than ordinary followers. We simply remove most of the features. Okay. An app that contains advice for living. Okay. Just getting started. Consider an extra bonus. Okay. It's called Island Life 101. Oh my goodness. A message free delivery service of sorts. Feel like giving it a try. Okay. I'll need you to pull up your phone again so I can send you the app. Oh, that's interesting. Like real life app. Which one is it? Oh, okay. I'm gonna be texting the animal like a raccoon. I'm gonna be texting him. Perfect. Now you've got Island Life 101 app as well. You'll start getting messages once you're out and about doing things. Read them as they arrive. Yeah. Check your phone. A lot of people check their phones. They just don't respond. Alright, that's enough about the app for now. I do have one more thing for you, however. It's your itemized bill. Oh, we gotta pay rent or something. Airfare, accommodations, labor tax, and of course your Nook phone. 49,800 bells. Paying bells? I hope that's not dollars. What are bells? Yeah, I'm serious, I do not know. Didn't think of this. Well, bells are currency that we exchange for goods or services here on Sunshine. But there's the problem, you don't actually have any. Of course I don't, I just got here. I know nothing. Is that my mailbox? Behind me? I just noticed that, the flashing blue thing. No need to worry. I was prepared for exactly this type of tricky situation. For the good of it, you pay your fees with miles instead of standard bells. Call this extremely helpful service the Nook Mileage Program. Nook Mileage. Okay. You can earn miles by simply living your life here at Sunshine. Okay. More Nook miles you earn. Okay. You can use them to pay back your move-in fees and much more. You need to pay your moving fees for this new service. Would you believe it? It only comes to 5,000 miles. Less than 49,000 bells. I'll just go ahead and register you so you can pay in miles. Just open the Nook Miles app. Okay. Sunshine. So confused. Is it like my island or is it their island? I thought it was like my island, but I feel like they own the island, so maybe it's not my island. I can do whatever I want. Woohoo. Okay, so how do I check? From now on, island time will match the flow of time in the real world. Do not touch the power button when you see the autosave indicator in the top right screen corner. You can also save and quit your game after pressing the minus button. Okay. Okay, so like... Okay, so it is actually 11:27 a.m. Okay, here where I'm at. Is that a mail? I don't know. Paradise Plenty Photo Nintendo. What is that? Store and Pocket? I do not know what that is, but that's it. Congratulations, people who hope you enjoy your new island life. To celebrate a fresh start, we'd like to give you a gift that is sure to come in handy. What's the gift? What is that? Okay. Now, how do I check my phone? So, is that clothes? Okay, can I change? Oh, I removed it. I didn't mean to remove it. I didn't mean to remove it. I wasn't paying attention with that button. Close. I didn't mean to remove it. Can I get my shirt back? Where? I didn't realize. Okay, close. So, oh, my phone's up in the right, or the left-hand corner. I see it now. Z left. Okay. Camera, Nook miles. Okay, so how many Nook miles did I earn? Road, okay. Next. Various perks, okay. Close. Get miles, can I claim? You travel, you've earned your first miles. Okay, claim. How many miles did I earn? 500. So I need 4,500 more to pay a mile? I'm already in debt, and I just got here. Wow, okay, so, what are these? The goal aims towards your reward. Miles, chatting with residents. Try talking to your neighbors every day. You mean I gotta socialize? Okay. Passport, map, rescue service. Island life. So what over here? Welcome to Island Life. Check that bird every usual tips. Make the most of island living. And okay. No tips yet. So okay. I checked it though. Okay. Well, let's just put it away. So I need to talk with everybody. So there's somebody. It's great to see you. Or keeping resident services open. Nah, if we stop by, if you have something to talk about. I'm checking everyone, see what you're doing. Offer chat. Okay. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but it's not chat. Let me see, Shell. What does it say? Can you pick it up? Oh, you can pick it up and collect it. Cool. Beach. I love the beach. Ah, look at it, it's pretty. Even if it is on like a. Wait, can you not walk? Okay, so I think I can walk across the water. So do I need like a bridge to get to that side of the island, I guess? Because I don't think there's a way to get around that. There's the, I can't remember his name. Flip, maybe? Oh, yeah. Oh, we keep looking out. Pretty sure I think it's good at buddies. Okay. What's he got for me? A hat? Perfect for try on the person's X to open the pockets. Well, yeah. Okay, so I got a hat. Cool. Give me a hat. Is there anybody else involved here? I don't really know what I'm supposed to be doing now, but I don't know where I'm supposed to really go or talk to. We need like a list of tasks, so I know what to do. There's somebody else. Come here. Renato. Goodbye from the plot you picked for me. Thanks for the ad. Just think about thinking a recipe for a leaf umbrella? Okay. A leaf umbrella? What I thought here was, now that's a lot of weeds. That's kind of where I got the idea. A DIY project that uses weeds. I thought it was a leaf. If you're doing a DIY project, ask them to help you out, okay? Resident service. So is... Oh, my phone's... How do I... Is that one? Because it's red? Is that what it is? Okay, I talked with them. Ta-da! Oh, I got 300. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's cool. What's this one? Earn miles by catching creepy crawlies. Ooh, I gotta catch bugs. And what's this one? Learn how to fish. Okay, so you gotta learn how to fish. So the resident services, I'm guessing, is gonna be this spot over here in the middle or over here. I do not know, but I'm guessing it's over here. He's not over here. What's this? Is this like, what's in here? Is this tent? I don't know what this is. Is this tent like the resident services or not? I don't know, me. Okay, good. That's where he's at. Ah, welcome, welcome. Cozy in here. It's funny how cozy doesn't always mean comfortable. Let me give you advice on how to spend your time on this island or anything else. If you need some advice about basic island materials, you should talk to Timmy. You can have your essentials for paradise, okay? Okay. Oh, important thing. Build your okay. Useful. Do I need to talk to him? Is that to me? Yeah. No, we're still upstairs, but we intend for a small selection of goods for our island residents. Space is limited. We'll have to try some fresh stock each other, okay? Before we take a look at some of the items we're thinking of selling. I'll take a look. What do I want to sell? Candles and a tin bucket. Oh, are these all of them? Okay, cool. They're gonna sell oranges. You think catch your eye? Show me again. I already forgot. The candle, the tin bucket. This is fishing rod, net. Oh, you can plant flowers. On trees, medicine. What about the fishing rod? Do I get a fish? Anything catch your eye? Oh, so I'd sell them still? Weeds and trash? Here you go, pull weeds. When I get money for pulling weeds? This is interesting. Okay, can I walk back out? Well. So, I don't really know what I'm supposed to do now. Does he help me? Try to talk to him. Feel free to chat me anytime there's anything you need help with to get you sleeping here. Have you heard about the workshop? That's what I was. It's useful here. If you haven't. Oh. I thought. Do I not think that this one? I haven't heard about this one being answered. You haven't yet. Well, maybe I should. Let me go back and talk to this dude because I didn't get. I thought I had to see Tom Nook 250 how to do the workshop. Maybe I gotta go back to him because I don't know. I'm confused now. Hello? Oh, did I get that? Okay, about the workshop. That's what we want to talk about. Each participant will make and keep their own tools and receive a set of DIY recipes. Recipe makes making the food, though. Put you down for the next level session. I'd love to. When is it? Happens to be free. I happen to be free this very moment, so let's get started. Oh, okay, so we're going to do a DIY workshop. Welcome to my DIY workshop. You see, you do it yourself, you're still with me. Materials, follow recipe, and then craft using a workbench like this one. Okay. A fishing rod. I think I have 5 tree branches. I gathered extra. I was overachiever last night and gathered extra, so let's make a fishing rod, okay? Okay, so if I could learn how to steer myself around. Okay, a flimsy fishing rod, craftable. Craft it. Craft, yes, let's do it. Oh, I made a flimsy fishing rod. What a name. That was perfect. As you can see, crafting is quite simple, provided you have the correct recipes. Why do they call them recipes instead of like instructions or tutorials or something? Recipes makes me think of food. Free of charge, naturally. Thank you. Turmeric cone. What do? Oh, DIY recipes. Okay. Splendid, thank you. The wipes installed. Okay, cool. You just crafted yours to keep. It may not last forever, but it should serve you well for a little while at least. In front of the shadow of fish we cast your line. Oh, do I get a fish now? Okay, just in my game. 11:40. I think I'm fixing to quit, and then I'll have to come back and play some more later. I guess I'll come back and I'll learn how to fish. So that's cool. So yeah, I think I'll quit right now. But so yeah, oh, they still have the fire going. That's cool. Warm my hands. Oh, okay, cool. Anyway, I think here's my first little like long play session on here. I think we'll quit and we'll come back later and learn how to fish next, I guess.